Welcome back to Dr. B's tutorials. I'm excited you're here for our second lesson in the Algebra 1 series. Today we are diving into a core principle of algebra, the order of operations. Whenever you have multiple operations in one expression, you must follow specific steps so your answer is correct. That rule is often remembered by the acronym PEMDAS, which we will unpack in this lesson. By the end, you'll feel confident solving complex expressions accurately and consistently. Here's a quick example. 6 plus 2 times 3. If you don't follow the correct order, you might get a wrong answer. If someone adds 6 plus 2 first, they'd multiply by 3 and get 24. But that's incorrect. If you multiply 2 times 3 first, then add 6, you get 12. The correct answer if you apply the rule. This shows why the order of operations matters so much. It makes math consistent for everyone. By following the steps we will learn, you'll avoid mistakes and get the same correct answer every time. PEMDAS is a helpful acronym that reminds us the order in which to perform operations. P stands for parentheses. Anything inside them comes first. E is for exponents. Powers or roots come next. Then multiplication and division. They share the same level and go left to right in the expression. Finally, addition and subtraction, also done left to right. Grouping symbols like parentheses, brackets, and braces tell us to do that part first. In 3 plus 4 times 5, you solve inside the parentheses 3 plus 4 equals 7 before multiplying. If you skipped that and did 4 times 5 first, you'd add 3 and get 23, which is incorrect. So the rule: when you see any grouping symbol, simplify inside it first. This step ensures the rest of the expression is done on the right foundation. After grouping symbols, the next step is exponents, the little power or root notation. For example, 2 squared means 2 times 2, which equals 4. In the expression 3 plus 2 squared times 5, you must first compute 2 squared equals 4. Then the expression becomes 3 plus 4 times 5 equals 3 plus 20 equals 23. If you ignored the exponent and just did 2 times 5 equals 10, then added 3, you'd get 13, which is wrong. Once grouping and exponents are done, we move on to multiplication and division. They share the same priority level, so you do whichever appears first from left to right. For example, 12 divided by 3 times 2. You divide 12 by 3 to get 4, then multiply by 2 to get 8. If you instead multiplied first, as in 3 times 2 equals 6, then divided 12 by 6, you'd get 2, which is wrong. So always scan left to right for M and D before you go to addition or subtraction. Finally, we come to addition and subtraction, the last level in PEMDAS. Just like M and D, A and S are done in left to right order. Example, 10 minus 4 plus 2. You would subtract 4 from 10 to get 6, then add 2 to get 8. If you grouped 4 plus 2 first and then subtract, you'd get 4, which is incorrect. By using left to right consistently, your answers will always match the rule. Let's apply what we've learned to a real expression. 3 plus 5 times 2. We follow PEMDAS. No parentheses, no exponents, so start with M or D. This means the first compute is 5 times 2 equals 10. Then add the 3. So 3 plus 10 equals 13. Therefore, the correct answer is 13. Only by following the correct order do we get this result. Here's another example. 3 plus 5 in parentheses times 2. First, handle inside the parentheses. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now multiply the result by 2. So 8 times 2 equals 16. The final answer is 16, which is different from the previous example because the parentheses changed the order. This clearly shows how important it is to respect the order of operations in every part of an expression. Even when students know PEMDAS, mistakes still happen. Let's go over the common ones. First, doing addition or subtraction before multiplication or division. This breaks the rule. Second, forgetting the left to right rule for M and D or A and S, which can change your answer. Third, skipping parentheses or exponents, or not simplifying them first. To avoid these, always follow the steps in order, write down each step, and check your final answer. It's your turn. Let's try 3 practice problems together. First, 4 plus 6 times 3. Step it out using PEMDAS. Second, 2 plus 8 in parentheses divided by 2 times 5. Remember parentheses first, then division and multiplication. Third, 10 minus 2 squared plus 3. Watch for the exponent and then do subtraction or addition. Pause now and solve these on paper or in your head. Then resume when you're ready for the walkthrough. Let's recap. We learned the full PEMDAS rule and why each step matters. Parentheses first, exponents next, then multiply or divide left to right, and add or subtract left to right. You've seen examples, practice problems, and common mistakes. You are ready to use this rule with confidence. Next time, we will move into combining like terms and simplifying expressions, which uses this order as a foundation. Thanks so much for learning with me today. Don't forget to practice these skills, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson at Dr. B's Tutorials. That's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out Dr. B's tutorials on Amazon for full AP and IB study guides. See the first link in the comment below. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.